Ho everyone, UCI Physics. Atoms are tiny particles. Let's talk about atom physics. They are the fundamental building blocks of everything around us. Imagine the smallest thing you can possibly think of, like a grain of sand. Now imagine something much smaller than that. Something so small you can't even see it with a microscope. That's the size of an atom. Atoms are incredibly small, but they are very important. They make up everything we see, touch, and interact with. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, everything is made up of atoms. You, me, your pet dog, and even the chair you are sitting on, all are just a collection of atoms arranged in different ways. It's mind-boggling to think about how many atoms there must be in the universe. But the fact that everything is made up of these tiny particles is what makes the study of atoms so fascinating. It's like discovering the secret code of the universe. Atoms may be small, but they have a complex structure. At the center of every atom is a nucleus. The nucleus is tiny and dense, containing protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, while neutrons have no charge. Whirling around the nucleus are even tinier particles called electrons. Electrons have a negative charge and they are constantly in motion. Think of it like a miniature solar system, with the nucleus as the sun and the electrons as the planets orbiting around it. The number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in an atom determines what kind of atom it is. For example, an atom with 1 proton is a hydrogen atom, while an atom with 6 protons is a carbon atom. This difference in the number of particles gives each element its unique properties. Atoms are everywhere. They are in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat, but they are also in things we might not expect. Did you know that the screen you are reading this on is made up of atoms? The light bulb illuminating your room, the phone in your pocket, and even the clouds in the sky are all made of atoms. The amazing thing about atoms is that they can combine with each other to form molecules. Molecules are groups of 2 or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. For instance, water is a molecule made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. These molecules then come together in countless ways to form all the different materials and substances that we see around us, from the simplest to the most complex. So, whether it's a solid, a liquid, or a gas, everything you see around you is essentially made up of atoms. Understanding atoms is crucial to science. By studying atoms, we can learn how different materials behave and interact with each other. This knowledge helps us to develop new technologies and solve important problems. For example, understanding atoms has led to the development of computers, smartphones, and the internet. It has also helped us to understand diseases and develop new medicines. By manipulating atoms, we can create new materials with amazing properties, like super strong plastics and ultra-light alloys. The study of atoms has also given us a deeper understanding of the universe. By analyzing the light from distant stars, we can determine what kind of atoms they are made of. This helps us to understand how stars are formed, how they evolve, and how they eventually die. In conclusion, atoms are the fundamental building blocks of everything around us. Understanding atoms is essential for scientific advancement and has a profound impact on our daily lives. By unlocking the mysteries of the atom, we unlock the secrets of the universe itself. Thanks, everyone. Next we talk about statistical physics. Catch you in the next one. Stay with UCI.